Kamusta mga idol? Narito na ang laban ng ating kababayan na si Virgilio Silvano.
WBA
Naka-yellow
Championship yata yun.
trunks.
Yes, you are absolutely right,
Nakapula naman
partner.
itong
Rex
kalaban
Shaw
niya na
has
si Rex Chu
a
na
lot of
pambato ng Hong
belts,
Kong.
a lot of regional belts.
Bago ang kanilang laban mga
In his
idol, mayroong
illustrious
record itong
career, he's
ating
making a
kababayan na
comeback
si
today
Virgilio
in
Silvano na
UKC, the
21 na
unfinished
panalo,
business.
18
It
ang
seems
talo,
like
may dalawang
he's
draw.
coming back from retirement,
12 ang
partner,
tinapos sa
and wants to
knockouts.
finish
Samantalang
the
itong
unfinished business, ano?
And Rex Cho
pambato ng Hong Kong mga idol na si Rex Chu,
is certified
may kartada itong 22
Hong
na
Kong
panalo,
superstar
walang talo.
talaga.
13 tinapos sa
He
knockouts.
could pack
Ano na po ito mga idol?
a
Retired na
arena.
po itong si
Like in
Rex Chu
Macau, he did
ng
pack
halos
an arena,
8
fighting
taon.
there. So,
Ito ang kanyang pagbabalik ngayon.
Superstar, no?
may followers talaga si Rex Cho.
Ginanap ang kanilang laban mga idol sa
His opponent right now,
Ilorde Grand
Virgilio
Ballroom Sukat
Silvano,
Parañaque.
also known as Maton. His ring
Yan,
name
panoorin po natin ang
also has some belts, ano?
laban nila
He
mga
won the
idol.
WBO Oriental Light
Ulitin ko po,
Flyweight
naka-yellow
in 2013.
with red
Both of them have
ang
regional
trunks ng
belts.
ating
This is a
kababayan na
good
si
matchup.
Virgilio Silvano,
And I think
samantalang
he's a former
nakapula
world
naman
title
with white
challenger also.
Yes, exactly,
So,
partner.
trunks
para
ang
mapachallenge ka sa world title,
pambato
I
ng
think
Hong Kong.
you did some significant thing. So,
Totoo yan, partner. The climb
Yan,
to
may
that
wader
level
yung ano,
is arduous. It's no joke.
ginagamit na ano ni
alam mo,
Silvano mga
the
idol,
mere watching Rex Cho
style ng kanyang
right in front of
defense.
me create a lot of goosebumps.
At
Because
kitang-kita po
most of the
natin
fight
dito
of
mga idol
Rex
na
Cho is, I was
matangkad
lucky
itong
enough, I was there.
si Rex Chu.
Yesterday when we see each other, I am sitting at the across, and suddenly Rex Cho did acknowledge na
Tinutukod-tukuran ng ayun.
dating ganito, ganyan. So, I'm
Uppercut
very
with
happy that Rex
straight
Cho remains a very,
by
very humble man inside and
Rex
outside the
Chu.
ring.
Definitely, partner. A lot of
Grabe.
people are waiting for his comeback. Partner, 8 years
8
pala.
taon na hindi
8
lumaban
years.
itong si
He was
Rex
in
Chu mga idol,
retirement
pero
for 8
nandun
years.
pa rin
His
yung
last
skill niya.
fight was in 2017 against Kono.
At itong ating
Yeah.
kababayan mga
That
idol,
was the
hindi
fight
rin
you were
basta-basta
talking
to.
about.
Back then, Kohei Kono is one
Magaling
of the most
din.
dangerous
Marami
super
na rin
flyweight
mga
For
di
sure,
kalibring
his record
Yeah.
says it all.
opponent ang
But
na
I
ano
think
nito, nakasagupa.
Rex Cho was that
Kaya hindi po
close
pwede
for a
nating
world title
i-underestimate
aspiration, pero nagkaroon siya ng eye injury.
yung mga
kasi.
boksingero na
Maybe
lumalaban.
that's the unfinished business, no? He really is intent on and getting that world title. Now he's back in the ring. He's
When- Partner, when Rex Cho is fighting, everybody
Here we go, round number 2. Again, Rex Shaw is wearing red. He is from Hong Kong, a Hong Kong superstar, making his comeback today against Virgilio Silvano, another veteran who has vied for the world title and who has had regional titles in the past as
Tsaka
well.
pag tinamaan ka ng Silvano, partner, may kalalagyan ka din tingin ko.
For sure,
Oo.
ano. Sabi ko nga, Virgilio Silvano can surprise you. He can really catch you off guard. Rex Shaw with that snappy sequence, ano.
And Silvano remained a fit customer because he is an instructor sa gym.
Right.
That's why every day nagte-training din yan.
And you know, his opponents in the past have been really kumbaga itong si Silvano has
Lahat
also fought
magaling.
everybody.
Yeah,
He's been in the ring up against Aston Palecte, partner, Jonathan Taconing, and young and upcoming boxers like Raymar Tagacanaw, no? Nandun tayo, I think, when he
Yeah.
fought. And of course, John Vincent Panga also. No?
Talagang you're
Yeah.
trying to caught me on the crossfire.
Oh, I know that fight. We were there also.
Yeah. We have a very, very successful 6 years on our tandem. Hopefully it would last for a long time. And this is also probably the perfect opportunity to tell everybody if you really need a commentator on your event in boxing. I think you just need to contact, and we are just one question away and or one talk away. Hindi kami mahirap kausap in terms of everything.
Yes, perfectly said, partner. I have nothing to add to that. Here we go, Silvano pushing Rexcho towards the ring. Rexcho's able to get out and land that body shot.
Alam mo what Rexcho is trying to do is to put away that ring rust. He is trying to get some rounds. He wants to feel the game again.
Right.
And
Body shot lands for Silvano right there. Hook up top. Rexcho also lands a double uppercut right there.
that sent Alopormina down to the canvas.
Yes, it was just really timing, and of course Miel Fajardo, we all know how devastating he can get, ano. Here we go, round 2.
Round 3.
Round 3, sorry. Virgilio Silvano wearing yellow trunks. Ito namang si Rexcho is wearing red.
These two great gladiator slugging out each other, and in the art where you call boxing.
You're right. Alam mo, itong si Silvano, his defense, look at that. Ano, he's crouching. He's trying to cover his head and body all in that guard. Alam mo, it can be tricky to hit him flush, ano. Kasi he can weave quite fast. He uses his body. So it really takes patience, and I think Rexcho is patient. He uses that jab. He's judicious with that jab.
What a story we could tell that Rexcho is the king his age right now.
Mm-hmm.
Parang meron ngayon tayong season of comeback.
Right.
Like what Nonito Donaire Jr. winning a interim title at 42. Senator Manny Pacquiao having a draw with Mario Barrios for a world title.
Right.
Now Rexcho is trying to duplicate something that he done on his career after 8 years of absent.
And so is Virgilio Silvano. Silvano, I think, is in his mid-30s. Oh, wow. He was caught with that shot by Rexcho, but he returns the favor with that right hook up top.
Sabi nga nila, a work cut out for Rexcho also, because Silvano is not something that you could push around on the ring.
For sure. And those may comments dito that Silvano didn't train for this. I mean, God, you can't even last one round inside the ring if you didn't train.
Of course.
So what a careless comment. Of course, Silvano trained for this.
Silvano, the resilient guy. Wow. The last black tie affair.
We had fun there, sayang.
And I fix everything to make everybody happy on regarding the official sides. And I miss Rico Robles. I think mayroon siya pang utang sa akin kasi sabi niya papakilala niya ako kay Sherry. And then yan ang nagpalaki sa akin
Yes. So
kidding aside, I love Rico Robles. He's a great friend, and I hope
such a great talent. One talent I look up to.
And I hope doon sa Black Tie 5 magkita-kita tayo ulit.
Yes. Here we go. Round 4. Virgilio Silvano in yellow. Rexcho in red. Rexcho having that height advantage over Virgilio Silvano.
Alam mo, I have a word of wisdom for everybody. You know, in our turmoil here in the Philippines, alam mo, magtrabaho lang tayo ng yung trabaho lang talaga ng masipag-sipag tayo para sa pamilya natin, and meron lang tayong concern sa bansa natin. That's little things of everything. I think magpo-progress tayo eh. Pero kung dahil sasabihin lang natin na nandyan na kasi yan eh, nakalatag na yan, matagal na, hindi na natin kayang baguhin. I think kung ganun ang mentality mo, hindi ka magpo-progress at walang mangyayari sa
Words of wisdom from Nito.
manage Albano and try to
Same. Yeah, me
I
too.
will try to resurrect his career again
Me too.
with this performance. But the problem is I am not a billionaire.
Yeah.
So watching him like this, like kind of a fight is all privilege for me. Wow!
A long uppercut landed right in the middle of the abdomen of Virgilio Silvano. The corner is trying to wave it off.